Ooh, what's up, babe? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get amazing looking eyes like this. It's a beautiful, soft cut crease with a winged eyeliner smoking out in your waterline. I'm going to be using this one, Boss Babe palette by Motives Cosmetics. Honey, if you want to see how to get this look, then stick around. Let's get started. All right, so first step is that we're going to go ahead and let's prep our eyes using this eye base by Motives Cosmetics, and just make sure that this is all over your lids, ready to be prepped so that the eyeshadow can stick onto it. Okay, and today we're going to be using the Boss Babe eye palette by Motives Cosmetics. First color that we're going to be going in is this sort of bone color right here, and it's called Control. All right, so put some on a brush, and we're going to be going right underneath the brow bone, just here. Second step is to take this color right here, which is called Profit, on a medium-sized brush. I do like that name. Tap off the excess, and we're going to put it right inside here as a transition color. I'm going to put it just above the mobile lid and into our crease. Just put that color right in there. And the next step is to get a smaller blending brush like so. And then we're going to go in with this color right here, which is a deeper cool brown, and it's called Leader. I do like these names. It's making me extremely motivated. This is the Boss Babe palette. Now, we're going to put it in here, deeper into the crease, just to warm up the crease just a little bit more. And you're going to go, you're going to blend it in nice and slow, ever so softly. And the next step is basically we're going to do a very soft cut crease. Okay, so you're going to take some concealer. I'm using this one. This one's from Motive Cosmetics in the color Amber. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to cut a crease in the mobile lid, okay? Now we're going to go back in with that original bone color called Control and the original brush that we started with. And we're just going to put that all over the mobile lid.
Hi guys, today.
I got a visitor in the middle of my tutorial and she can't look because the light's too bright for her. Okay, so that means you have to leave me alone now, okay?
No,
Say bye-bye.
I have to go.
Mwah!
No.
Okay, please don't come back in my room because I'm doing my tutorial. Okay, next step is that we're going to go back in with this Leader color, and then we're just going to put it in this outer third right here in the V shape of the eye. Just on the end, we're going to put it right here, and then we're going to blend it up. Okay. All right, next step is that we're going to do the bottom, okay? So you're going to take these two colors right here, Profit and Leader, and you're going to just pop it right underneath here. Once you finish smoking out down the bottom, you're probably going to think, oh my God, that looks quite dirty. But take a wet wipe, and all we're going to do is just clean up under here and get our eyes ready for our wings, okay? The next step is to apply wings, okay? So I'm using Motives Cosmetics in Carbon Liquid Liner. You're going to start from the inside corner and take it all the way up, and you're going to follow just that line towards the brow, and then bring it back in here and fill it in, all right? All right, so once you've added your wings, like so, on the side, we're going to line our underline here, our waterline, with black or brown pencil or eye gel, okay? I'm going to use black today, but it's really just whatever you prefer. We're going to put it in our waterline like so. Okay, so once you are up to this stage, you've done your wings and you've done your eyeliner, it should look something like this, okay? It is at this point that I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my contact lenses before I do mascara and my lashes, okay? So I'm going to do that off camera and I shall be back to you very soon. I'm back! How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. Now it's time to add mascara. I'm using Motives, of course. Go ahead and add your favorite mascara. Top and bottom. Once you've done your mascara, it's time to add false lashes. I'm using these ones by P. Louise. Okay, and these are in the Lashes Dare. I love using false lashes because it just ties the whole look together. I don't have a lot of lashes, so that's why I really need them. So I will do it off camera and I'll come back. You can watch my separate tutorial on how to apply false lashes. So let's do it. Bang! There you go. See, I told you lashes just tie the whole look together. Okay, now I know I don't have my skin done, but honey, I mean, look at those eyes. Brows, bomb. Lashes, on fleek. Wings, snatched. All right, what do you think? This brings us to the end of the eye look. Don't worry, because I'm going to do my full face, tie everything in together. But this is the end of soft cut crease tutorial. Hope you've enjoyed. And that brings us to the end of this full face tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching. Give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed watching, and stay tuned for all of my other tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.